With the sound of the rain comes the sound of nature, where all the unknown things that we do not know about seem to gather into one spot, a single raindrop, and it falls gently or sometimes harshly onto this earth. We speak to no one besides what we think we speak to. The things we see or things that we think we see, things we smell, feel, hear, are all things we believe we do. Who is it to anyone to tell anyone what is real? 'Cause how can you explain to yourself how you exist? You can't. Some people use a book. Some people use their own minds. And some people use what others tell them. But it all comes from the inside, whether or not you believe it. With the rain, so calm, gentle, smooth, cold, warm, fresh, beautiful. Only certain people can see it as this way. Others can see it as terrible, scary, lonesome, sad, hopeless. But I, as a person, as what I think I am, believe the wind and the rain, thunder, tornadoes, all those things are something to be marveled about. Something to look at without worry or fear, but just acceptance. Because why not accept that that breeze that you feel go up your spine is something as beautiful as the colors on artwork? You accept everything else as what you see. Why not accept the weather?